Yeah, in tune, you're listening to Reggae Roast sound system. Mr. Williamz at the microphone center. Tell you this, stay tuned, stay locked. Tell them, for sure. Everywhere sound I play clean and pure. What is it? Reggae Roast. You never hear a sound like this before. You never hear a sound like this before. You never hear a sound like this before. Never. The heavyweight sound I play clean and pure. Massive them a skank it on the dance floor. Watch out them a skank and a ball out for more. Anywhere with them just a give way encore. Vibes that they place from ceiling to floor. Pattern where you want, where you have it more than more. Style where you want is where you have it galore. Dubplate you want is where you have it in store. So much where you have to keep them insured. Listen, you feel listen, let me tell you something more. As sound one test, then check with repertoire. Loaded ready like a 404. Shoulda never ever try knock on with door. Yeah, you never hear a sound like this before. You never hear a sound like this before. You never hear a sound like this before. The heavyweight sound I play clean and pure. Right through the world, the big machine tour. When we say shell, we no mean say sure. They are London and we shell that for sure. They are Germany and we shell that for sure. Step all in France, they must shout bonjour. When we they are Spain, them say gracias senor. The way we shell that, them a ball por favor. Yeah, that means they want more for more. When me say, you have some little sound boy, you live insecure. Play one dance, them no one play no more. Play two dance, them no one play no more. That simply means say that them is immature. The way how them a play, how them plain and sure. The way how them a play, how them can't endure. Stink and coming like some mass manure. We coming like a lion, we not stop from roar. You never hear a sound like this before. You never hear a sound like this before. You never hear a sound like this before. The heavyweight bassline so clean and pure. You never hear a sound like this before. You never hear a sound like this before. You never hear a sound like this before. The heavyweight machine so clean and pure.
Now they want the vibes to get hot, so them draw for the Reggae Roast on Top Cat. This one a boom shot, you hear that? We come fi turn up the heat, we come fi turn up the heat. And we run the road and we run the street. We come fi turn up the heat, we come fi turn up the heat. Me say, give me the rhythm, make we bounce to the beat. We come fi turn up the heat, we come fi turn up the heat. When the bass line drop, me say the vibes feel sweet. We come fi turn up the heat, we come fi turn up the heat. Come in Top Cat and make the thing complete. We bring the fire, we a champion and we born as a trier. Them keeping a dance and now with them a fi higher. For the lyrics and tunes with the people require. Waste timeless, we not expire. That you better know, hear me not higher. Santa Claus sing a song all about a liar. Wings to the tune, calm all a king tire. The Lord of my shepherd and my favorite prayer. From the Almighty one when me get me inspired. Send. We come fi turn up the heat, we come fi turn up the heat. And we run the road and we run the street. We come fi turn up the heat, we come fi turn up the heat. Me say, give it the rhythm, make we bounce to the beat. We come fi turn up the heat, we come fi turn up the heat. When the bass line drop, me say the vibes feel sweet. We come fi turn up the heat, we come fi turn up the heat. Come in Top Cat and make the thing complete. Now we a mash up the place. This tune of the real heavy bass. Make the woman them wind up them waist. Make them on them get on the case. Just rock out and make some spice. Treat the liquor straight and you had some choice. Nod your head and make your bass face. Watch me switch the melody and switch up the pace. Out of mercy. Cause we no rock, we no joke, we no skin, we no play. We no have no time for lay. When we a boss one away. I saw we know we a champion DJ. I saw we turn, I saw we stay. You better hear what me say. We a rock crowd all night and day. Because this is the way. We come fi turn up the heat, we come fi turn up the heat. And we run the road and we run the street. We come fi turn up the heat, we come fi turn up the heat. Me say, give it the rhythm, make we bounce to the beat. We come fi turn up the heat, we come fi turn up the heat. When the bass line drop, me say the vibes feel sweet. We come fi turn up the heat, we come fi turn up the heat. Come in Top Cat and make the thing complete.
Reggae Roast in on the dance. Gonna make the people them a jump and prance. And Reggae Roast in on the place. Give them jungle music and rock drum and bass. And Reggae Roast in on the dance. Gonna make the people them a jump and prance. And Reggae Roast in on the dance. I make the people them a jump and prance. Stand up on the microphone stand. Right amount of me, I'm gonna tell everyone. one. Yes, I Reggae Roast them man the champion. When me come, but we a go galang. Listen to the rhythm, dan the yes man. Yes, I Reggae Roast and them a champion. All the massive young thing it a mention. Got this a one man fi reach number one. A Reggae Roast in the dance. Could make the people them a jump and prance. A Reggae Roast in the place. Give them jungle music and the rock jump and bass. The Reggae Roast in the dance. Could make the people them a jump and prance. A Reggae Roast in the place. Get the reggae music and let's screw up their face. In that thinkable and the place. Get up. Ah, something in the place. Get up. A Reggae Roast in the place. Get up. And all the mass in the dance. Get up. You better listen to the tune. Get up. I be a style and pattern. Get up. And then the style can ration. Get up. You better listen to the rhythm than the action. Reggae Roast in the dance. I make the people them a jump and prance. A Reggae Roast in the place. Give them jungle music and then a jump and bass. A Reggae Roast in the dance. We make the people them a jump and prance. A Reggae Roast in the place. Land of mercy. I want me say. Are you agree?
We tell him we have to smoke all night. When
ganja babies, ganja man, ganja woman. I feel this. Boom.
We have to smoke all night. But not gonna lie, ganja is a part of my life. I have to smoke all night. Yeah, that's right. Burn up on me spliff and feel nice. I have to smoke all night. Look in my eyes, straight red, me not gonna lie. I have to smoke all night. But we the light, lick it in a Rizla all
You
pie.
see the Westmoreland and the Colombian and them kind of herbs, it kinda strong. You see the lamb's bread, and when you smoke that, it can go hurt up your head. The indica and sexy coming like two bread. You see the kiki money coming like banana. You see the Harry, we come from California. Smoke sexy person, yeah, and go ball. Whoa! Till I say, I'm going give me the vibes, give me the meditation. I'm green, give me the vibes, give me the inspiration. I'm green, give me the vibes, give me the vibration. Boom! In the big up like the one stallion. I'm green, give me the vibes, give me the meditation. I'm green, give me the vibes, give me the satisfaction. I'm green, give me the vibes, give me the vibration. In the big up like the one stallion. I can remember when I was younger. First time me get a jar from a rasta. Every now and then me get a bone sensimilia. Get a little bit more car him no me mother. We in the pump on the microphone center. Rasta don't come in a charge for murder. Get Reggae Roast in your area. Well everybody have a think and I wanna
We
come.
have to smoke all night. We not gonna lie, ganja is a part of my life. I have to smoke all night. Yeah, that's right. Burn up on me spliff and feel nice. I have to smoke all night. Look in my eyes, straight red, me not gonna lie. I have to smoke all night. But we the light, lick it in a Rizla all pie.
Come give me the iron grade. Come give me the iron grade. Come give me the iron grade. The iron grade. Again, jump. Come give me the iron grade. Come give me the iron grade. Come give me the iron grade. The iron grade. Come is the iron grade. Don't give me the vibes, give me the meditation. I agree on give me the vibes, give me the inspiration. I agree on give me the vibes, give me the vibration. Yes, I'm a big girl up like the one stallion. I agree on give me the vibes, give me the meditation. I agree on give me the vibes, give me the inspiration. I agree on give me the vibes, give me the vibration. Check out come a big girl up like the one stallion. And when you find some ganja north, south, east and west, when you find the herbs, which is the finest, and when you smoke them, you grade and you ball on. Yes, you feel the vibes straight in on your chest. Nothing more, nothing less. When you find the herb, yes it on the base. No public on demand and a special request. Let the ass man, Jano come in, not just
We have to smoke all night. We not gonna lie, ganja is a part of my life. I have to smoke all night. Yeah, that's that's right. Burn up on me spliff and feel nice. Have to smoke all night. Look in my eyes, straight red, me nah go and lie. Have to smoke all night. Pass me the light, lick it in a Rizla, alright.
Oh wow, operator, my selector. Now everybody must have gunshot. Put up your hand if you love that. Selecta the tune of the playback. Guide sound like way back. Okay, keep coming from a generation when artists lyrics they full of education. The leaders of the world and the United Nations never want to hear the message from the radio station. No other youth me have a reggae reputation. Origin West Indian but me born a England. Father Jamaican, mama Adamanican. Holy papa what in a me conversation. Now in a primary school me get my reputation. Fi bang pan table every day and sing song. Never want play football, now want play ping pong. The invisible microphone me have in a me hand. And me glad see me grow up on some studio one. Dig deep now me father record collection. Me daddy said that you there I go be someone. So me go a Stonebridge go check the rough cut band. After school in a studio with the Rasta man. Them about them chalice and all a meditation. Them days you want bus you have to come a London. Some boy no know the history nor the foundation. From me in a me mother belly me no love Satan. Me used to read from Genesis to Revelation. But any night me end up in a police station. Me no say music and me life is not my occupation. Second on my selector, calm down, operator. Mix me down proper, okay, my selector. Now everybody must have gunshot.
This is not the gamble one for day, and this original sound for the make the turn and twist. Reggae Roast sound cool and crisp, with the bad sound out of London town, right?
No other youth me have a reggae reputation. And some studio what.
Reggae Roast. I go burn them up like toast. Brand new Dubplate can't delete. Watch it, man. Kick it off. Now this one special request reach out to the girls them I know them possess excess amount of beauty and watch out. Girl, you know me really want to know you. Well, I say, girl, you know me really want to know you. Whole heap of things that me well want to show you. I want you listen every word when me told you. Well, I say, special request to all the girls are full of beauty. Special request now to all heavy duty. Patsy, Sophia, Andrea and Susie. And them the girl, they are real cutie. And anyway you step it coming like a movie. And them a bubble just like a jacuzzi. And value more than diamond and ruby. Tell our friends if you please introduce me. Girl, you know me really want to know you. Well, I say, girl, you know me really want to know you. Whole heap of thing when me well want to show you. And on my vibes when me want control you. So me say, girl, you know me really want to know you. When me say, girl, you know me really want to know you. Whole heap of thing when me well want to show you. I want you listen every word when me told you. If you was a canoe every day, me woulda row you. If you was a lawn every day, me have to mow you. If you was a bank, then you fi owe you. If you was a money, you know me not loan you. If you was a diamond, you know me have fi gold you. Pretty like a jewel, who don't let nobody steal you. If you was a property, you know me have fi own you. If you was a driveway, you know me have fi stone you. If you was a material, me have fi sew you. If you was a dice, then you know me have fi throw you. Only a style way in my portfolio. If your name Juliet, me have fi name Romeo. So me say girl, you know me really want fi know you. So me say girl, you know me really want fi know you. Only a pattern when me want fi show you. I want you listen every word when me told you. So me say girl, you know me really want fi know you. And girl, you know me really want fi know you. Only a style when me well want fi show you. Only a pattern when in at the portfolio. And she say she really want fi know me. And just the way how she a look, she want know me. Ask her what she name and she tell me now you me. And after that then the vibes get cozy. And we a listen some Heineken Mosey. Smoke ganja now the place smell rosy. And that is when she start bubble more closely. And she a tell me the position where she know fi. And she a say she have something to show me. She say a me she want ride her pony. You shoulda see how she start wine bossy. So me say girl you know me really want fi know you. Well me say special request to all the girls who full of beauty. Special request to all heavy duty. Sophia, Sandra and all Susie. And anyway them step it coming like a movie. And you know she say them a real cutie. And them a bubble just like a jacuzzi. The way she a move it really move me. Tell her friends if you please introduce me. Girl you know me really want to know you. Girl you know me really want to know you. In my arms want hug up and hold you. And then my vibes and my want control you. So me say girl you know me really want to know you. Girl you know me really want to know you. In my arms and my well want to hold you. Watch now. Here we go. Yeah, in tune you're listening. Reggae Roast sound system. Mr. Williamz at the microphone center. Tell this stay tuned, stay locked.
London City I was born in. Reggae Roast run this town.
So rhythm and it's fun of me to the place that raised me. Gave me the up and down to develop and shape me. Reggae Roast come down, get a jump and sound. Cause your dibby Dubplate don't faze me. I've never been the one to stay in just one place, man. For the love of the music we do not discriminate. Fly from the mountain tops to an eastern block. Reggae Roasting I did not to catch a nice vibe.
It's the sound of the Skints. I can smell something cooking. It's the Reggae Roast. Well, I love the London music that come before me time. Cause the new buds got me wishing it was back in the 85. Reggae Roast with a bag of dub to murder each and every time. Someone take a little trip on the Victoria line. Cause Reggae Roast is champion from Kingston to Brixton. Who run that track with a tune to kill your sound system. Stepping round town, you can ask each and every one. They say, oi, Reggae Roast, your nice session.
original Round Nation Foundation, international Jamaican artist. So big up Reggae Roast. Big up all massive and all crew.
Reggae Roast. I know Brock we are Brock and I know Boss we are Boss. Yeah man, but when we are kill sound boy, you know, we have turned the whole of them in a bowl.
Sound get grip on the sound system, so you get a grip and your mind don't flip.
Reggae Roast, Mr. HQ, enough respect you, seeing.
From the darkest days that we have seen. Now they say it's a new normal, yeah. And the world is changing, it's changing. We got to walk the streets again, because the borders, they are open. It was like a quiet storm. It was your love that kept us warm. Through the violence and the pain, like the phoenix rising from the flame. Dance it a big one. No selection, still a morning. Yeah. Entertainers do their thing on the sound system. Oh, yes, we've got to carry on. We've got to carry on. And the dance it have to go on. Yeah. Like a shelter from the storm. The sound system keep us warm. Yes, it have to go on. Yes, it have to go on. Pure vibes in the land, yeah. There's no restriction on the selections, yeah. The music must be free for each and all of we. There's nothing derogatory DJ and you're listening to Reggae Roast in the mix.
Watch out, what I'm saying? Hear this.
the soul them over there, so me I pray every day that the Almighty Jah and wouldn't stop them go astray. Some of them pick up the dump and want to take life away. Make me tell the people on sound clash day. Every day where we get up is a sound clash. And when you hear the reggae roast, I better get flat. Well, every day where we get up is a sound clash. When you hear the sound reggae roast, I better get flat. Well, every day where we get up is a sound clash. And when you hear the reggae roast, I better get flat. Well, every day where we get up is a sound clash. When you hear the sound reggae roast, I better get flat. Jump and sound, them a try to play cold. Just to make a hustle sometime bend the road. Them somewhat test way, take man for fall. So we spread and come back and we a bust for a tour. Now them sit down in a dance and a go on like a fool. While the one reggae roast, we a take them to school. Someone and all the dibby song boy for cool. We tell all the people them say, watch out. We tell them every day when we get up is a sound clash. And when you hear the reggae roast, I better get flat. Well, every day when we get up is a sound clash. When you hear the sound reggae roast, I better get flat. Well, every day when we get up is a sound clash. And when you hear the reggae roast, I better get flat. Well, every day when we get up is a sound clash. When I hear the sound reggae roast, I better get flat. Who tell them? Turn them up, turn them up. Turn them up, turn them up, turn them up. Oh, come on, be ready, come on, be ready.
Feel the vibes in the dance and party vibes. I ain't saying when they come and feel the vibes then. Feel the vibes in the dance and party vibes. And when the husband say, feel the vibes in the dance and party vibes.
I'm not the governor alongside us,
feel the vibes in the dance and party vibes.
One channel.
Yo. Alright, massive. Is everybody ready? Are you sure? Put it back. Well, I'm ready. Reggae Roast ready. Are you ready? 3, 4. Sing, Horseman I sing. When you're coming dance, I'm gonna make the flip up like a wing. Sing, I'm one talking. Long with nothing, Campbell and the king in the ring. Don't feel under the means of the movies on the ring. See to the ring of the music, go and keep your bumbling. John this massive, just the rock and calling. In the years, I say it's again, and you're missing. Feel the vibes in the dance and party vibes. Feel the vibes in the dance and party vibes. Right, bang diddling, feel the vibes in the dance and party vibes. Yeah, you know star, you know so. Feel the vibes in the dance and party vibes.
No say we coming with the rubber dub style. Jaja know say me wicked, Jaja know say me wild. Come rock at this in the jungle is pattern. And right on the rhythm with the Horseman. When they make a them a bubble with the night of the day. Not the gamble and the Horseman with the bass DJ. Make them feel good, we make them feel nice. Hot like the fire but we cool like ice. People ask them, do you feel good? If you are down then you know that them should. Strictly good vibes, don't need bad mind chat. Chatty pan the rhythm and we have to bring it back. Sip a little rum and a bill up a split. Party in session so I man get uplift. All party man and also woman. Come and watch me nice obsession.
Yeah. Gonna miss sing, yeah. Gonna miss sing, yeah. Give it to me 1 time. Hi. Give it to me 2 times. Hi. Give it to me 3 times. Hi. Give it to me 4 times. Hi. I know they feel the vibes in the dance and party vibes. Feel the vibes in the dance and party vibes. As the husband say in and the feel the vibes in the dance and party vibes. Nighty Campbell I say feel the vibes in the dance and party vibes. Hey, get up, sit up and rock for the one. Get up, sit up and move. I'm gonna get up and rock. I'm gonna bust. I'm gonna get yourself ready to go. Get up, sit up and rock for the one. Get up, sit up and move. I'm gonna get up and rock. I'm gonna bust. Everybody did the dance and the dance jump and prance. Like if you can dance, the best and give them a chance. To the winter from England and winter from France. Yeah, to the best and from England, but the dance. You under the microphone stand. Along with us to the camping bomb me right hand. Singing your new style, the only perversion. You know a reggae roast on the number 1. That's what me sing. Feel the vibes in the dance and party vibes. Bangling, bang, 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 diddly. Say feel the vibes in the dance and party vibes.
We see the vibes hard, it tough like concrete. All people are them come push up their hand, and this kind of thing come and nice off the land. Whether you're from the east and me say whether you're from the west, from the north to the south, yeah you know they can't rest. This party vibe none of them can test. The vibe in the place, yeah you know it are the best.
Now hear this. Now here comes another boom shock. Yeah man, that's the camera and the Horseman.
Yeah,
Jago. Call the medley.
How you mean?
To all the massive crew. Yeah man. Reggae Roast massive.
Yeah, that's the Horseman.
You ready? Come on, me say. Blood and go run, me say fire and go burn. Who can't hear them a feel learn? Blood and go run, and me say fire and go burn. Who can't hear them a feel learn? You give your Horseman and you know it's my turn. Who a feel hear them a feel learn? Come me say go the and go run, and a fire and go burn. I want me say. We go so warm up, and yes we go so warm up. See bubble up, no we just a bubble up. Me them the Horseman on the microphone stand.
Yeah, on the microphone stand again.
Long we not take camera from me right hand.
Watch out now, the fire brigade, they can deal with them at top. When we touch down, all the road boys cut up. We see them all when we reach out the show. Now the Carnival and the Horseman, we a say so.
Chicken flopper, I'm with the Ricky Rankin. I in a joker, in a ramper, in a MC and singer. To the dung dung, sing dung dung dung, to the dung dung dung, to the dung 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 dung, sing to the dung dung dung. Come for me, the massive, come for me now. Hey, come for me, the massive, come for me now. For me now, come for me, the massive, come for me now. Hey, come for me, the massive, come for me now. I'm playing reggae music, Rasta now I send the people them want it. Sing ding 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 ding, play reggae music. The ladies but I know say they want it. Good.
The melody of a musical appeal, not the Campbell and the Horseman make a them will bump bump. Like a way I make a body feel, make the boy them a jump and the girl them squeal. We rip it up, yes we have to rip it up. Well a sound we a play, yes you know sound a rough. Well we rip it up, we have to come and rip it up. Well the old school, new school, have to mix it up. Well the old time and new time, and this is my style. Well the old time and new time, and this is my style. Medley that I play, you know it, we can make it up well. Well and at the end of us, no take a them slow.
Blood and go run, me say fire and go burn. Who can't hear them a feel learn? Blood and go run, and me say fire and go burn. Who can't hear them a feel learn? You give your Horseman and you know it's my turn. Who a feel hear them a feel learn? Come me say go the and go run, and a fire and go burn. I want me say.
Watch the battle, let me tell you a song.
Yeah man.
We make a them a bounce like a them a yo-yo. We see them a all when we reach out the show.